So yo guys, what's up? It's a man nice from Geek. Back on the video guys. Today I'm gonna tell you the iOS 14 features which are quite good in iPad. So let's go into the video guys. So the first feature is faster fingerprint recognition. So I'm gonna test it. Let's go and test it. One, two, and three, and it unlocks. That's it. And let me test it again. Like one, two, and 3. It unlocks. The second is the new home screen and widgets. The new improvement in here are gonna be the home screen and widgets, which you can see on the left hand side, which has now a very good unique look on it. And here you can see the widgets. Not only the widgets can be seen, the widgets can be customized. I will show you how. You need to just click it and it will ask you edit widget, and here you can see the location down there guys. So for this location you can keep anything also the location. It should be, for example, let me go and keep the location as London. So here you can see the location is being kept as London. There you can see the location has been kept as London, and here you can see it has been kept. And in the to-do list we can also remove the widgets, we can do any more thing. And here this widget is quite awesome. It has the calendar and the battery inbuilt in it. I mean, battery means not battery, it's the battery type inbuilt in it. And we can move to the home screen on iOS but not on the iPadOS. I don't know why Apple didn't give that feature guys. And now you can see this is how you can drag and drop. If I hope so that iPadOS gets it in the future guys. So you can see you can just rearrange it in its folder kind of a menu guys. And there's no app library in this thing too. And here you can add some widgets. So let me just go and add a widget like the Siri shortcuts widget guys. Let me just click it and it'll ask me that the kind of layout I want. So I don't want a big layout, so I'm putting a small layout. Here you can see the C shortcut is there. You can click it and you want to put what kind of shortcut you want guys. So this is how the widgets work. Here you can see the widgets are quite awesome, quite good. And if you want a full screen widgets, you know you need to swipe them up, and here you can see the full screen widget guys. So the full screen widgets are quite awesome, and this quite awesome thing in here. The next is the faster UI. So the UI is quite faster in this new iPad OS guys. You can see I'm using an iPad 5th generation, which is quite older, which was in like 2017 I think so. So you can see how much fast it is after updating to iOS 14. So I recommend you all to update to iOS 14 if you want your older iPhones or iPads to be faster. And this is how faster the UI is guys. So now let us go into the Siri guys. So you can see on the bottom right it's Siri. So now Siri doesn't occupies the whole home screen guys. So here you can see if I say for the Siri, hey Siri open Safari, it opens the Safari. So let me just say hey Siri open Skype, it opens Twitter. Sorry, I should have said Twitter. So now say hi Siri open Skype. Here you can see it opens the Skype in here. So let me just say hey Siri open Kindle. Okay, it's not again. Let me say it again guys. Hey Siri open Kindle. So here you can see the Kindle has opened, and next is a new Safari. Here you can see the Safari has something new, and here you can see on the top each website has its logo on the left hand side. So here I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Now I think you can see it clearly. The Google apps have the Google icon on left. So let me just open the Apple website for you and show it to you guys. And now I opened the Apple website, and now you can see the Apple logo there. So it's quite awesome guys. In the Safari it's a small minor change, but it's awesome. And another new feature which is in there is gonna be the tracking ID. Okay, so if you click on AA and click on tracking report, and it's gonna show you the tracking report. Here you can see the weather.com has 27 trackers or something like that guys. So let me just show you what are the trackers in there. Here you can see the 27 trackers. So weather.com, you have so much trackers on there, you track our data guys. So you can see which website tracks your data and which has some more trackers guys. So now that's it, the Safari is over. So let us go to the next feature guys. The features in settings app. In settings app, they are not like a new enhancement as it was there in the iOS 12, but they are something like smaller kind of enhancements in there. So let me just show you. Here you can see the layout of the apps are quite awesome. In here you can see the layout of the apps are quite awesome, and now each and every app supports a left kind of the layout. Okay, on the left you can see all the kind of the data, it has that kind of a layout guys now. And the battery is shown in the widget, so no need to go and watch in there. And let me go into settings and let me show what kind of iPad I use. It has the picture in picture mode, which you can enable or disable if you don't want it. And let me now just go into the general, and let me go into about. Here you can see it's 14.2, and going into the build version, see the build version, it's the build version, please check the build version. Okay, and the model is iPad 5th generation, guys. Don't go into storage, I will list storage. And now VPN has changed into VPN and network, guys, and nothing else has been changed for now. And here we can see the app clips. So till now there are no apps which support app clips till now. So once these things are there, I will just put a video on it separately, guys. So I think that's it for the video. Wait, I have something new down there in control center. No, the control center doesn't have anything new, it's the same thing, guys. And now coming into the camera app, it has a new UI like the iPhone 11. And here you can see the camera app has been there recently there, guys. And if I open the YouTube app, it doesn't show me the camera app there recently. So this is a new feature I just discovered now. So thanks for, that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. And it's me, Anis from Anis Geek, signing off. Bye bye.
A few moments later.